Hey guys, my name is Rosie and I'm here to show you how to use the GloPRO Eye microneedling attachment head. What I love about this particular attachment head is it's small, designed to target those hard to reach eye areas. It's great for fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness right around the eye area. So let's get into how to use it. You're going to detach whatever head is on your tool and you're going to attach the eye head just like that. I've already prepped my skin using BeautyBio's prep pads. So now I'm just going to start rolling. Feel it working, doesn't hurt at all. You're going to just let the weight of the tool rest on your skin. You're going to roll for about 10 to 15 seconds on each eye. You're also going to roll right above your brow bone, just like that. Don't forget about your 11 lines. Repeat on the second eye and you're done. So now that I've opened up my micro channels, you can apply whatever serum you'd like, but for today, I'm going to be using the BeautyBio Bright Eyes Eye Patches. So I love these, they're infused with colloidal silver to revitalize and brighten your eyes. I'm going to apply just right here like this. It's like getting 10 hours of sleep in 10 minutes. Feels amazing, especially after you've GloPRO'd. I can feel my skin drinking in all of the serum. You can put these in the fridge for an even more cooling effect. So while my eyes are drinking in all of this colloidal silver, I'm going to clean my eye head for future use. I'm going to take my GloPRO sanitizing spritzer bottle, which I've filled with rubbing alcohol. It comes in your GloPRO box, and I'm going to roll and spray. Easy. Let dry and it's ready to use for next time.